Anyway, to protect private data, you will have to permanently delete some messages on your Android phone, especially those that contain your bank records and financial data, even if your phone still has space. Keep watching to find out how you can delete all text messages from your Android phone. Part 1. How to permanently delete text messages on Android phone. The first thing you will need is a third-party software that enables you to permanently delete your messages and other files from your Android device. Mobikin Eraser for Android is a completely safe program with zero spyware, viruses. For details, Step 1. Connect your Android phone to PC. Step 2. Make the program recognize your Android phone. Step 3. Select and confirm the security level. Choose low level, destroys data irrecoverably. Medium level, overwrites once. High level, thrice. For texts, pick medium level. Step 4. Erase Android data and overwrite your phone. Step 5. Factory reset your Android phone. Part 2. How to manually delete specific text message on an Android phone. Number 1. Delete specific conversations. Open the Messages app. Select the conversations you want to remove. Click Delete. Number 2. Delete texts from a conversation. Open the desired conversation. Long press a piece of text you want to remove. Tap on Delete to enter the edit mode. Tick on Other texts. Click Delete. Part 3. How to erase all text messages or other files or phone settings to default factory setting. In phone settings, go to General Management, Reset, Factory Data Reset. Review data types, ensure backup. Tap Reset to erase texts and files. Before the deletion, back up your Android phone. It is essential to back up your Android device whether you need to delete SMS forever or perform a factory reset. The best one-stop solution is to use Mobikin Assistant for Android. It allows you to transfer your text messages, contact, call logs, etc.